In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for beginners. Getting started with Wrike is quite simple, and this guide will take you step by step through the entire process to ensure your experience is smooth and productive. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to visit the Wrike website at www.wrike.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll notice an option to get started for free on their homepage. However, if you've already signed up, you can simply log in using your usual credentials. Now, if you're signing up for the first time, you'll have a few options to create your account. Wrike allows you to use your email, or if you find it more convenient, you can also sign up with your Google or Microsoft account. This flexibility makes it easy to integrate with services you might already be using. Once you're logged in, it's time to set up your workspace. Think of your workspace as the central hub for your team or projects. Here, you can assign a name that reflects your team or the specific project you'll be managing. A clear and specific name will help you keep things organized as your projects and teams grow. After you've successfully logged into your workspace, it's important to familiarize yourself with the organizational structure Wrike offers. You'll come across folders, projects, and tasks, each serving a unique purpose. Folders help you organize different projects or departments, ensuring nothing gets lost. Within those folders, you'll use projects as containers to hold tasks related to specific goals, while tasks are the individual work items you or your team will tackle. To create a new project, look for the plus new project or folder button. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to enter a project name along with its start and end dates. It's also crucial to assign an owner to the project, someone who will be responsible for overseeing its progress. Next up is inviting your team members. Collaboration is at the heart of Wrike, and adding team members is a seamless process. This ensures that everyone involved can access, contribute to, and stay updated on the project's progress without hassle. After setting up your team, it's time to choose a view that best suits your workflow. Whether you prefer board view, table view, or Gantt charts, Wrike offers various options to tailor the working environment to your preference. Tracking progress is essential, and Wrike provides tools to do just that. By monitoring your team's progress, you can ensure that everything is on track and address any potential delays swiftly. Finally, effective communication and collaboration are key elements of a successful project. Wrike allows you to communicate directly with your team within the platform, streamlining feedback and updates. From commenting directly on tasks to tagging teammates, it ensures everyone remains on the same page. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how to set up and use Wrike as a beginner. With these steps, you'll be on your way to organizing your tasks and projects efficiently. Good luck and happy planning.